Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make fake window reflection onto portraits. And let's jump right into it. This is really easy and short video. First off, you need your portrait. You need a picture of your, I don't know, you could also not use a portrait, but simply like a room, a photo of your couch or whatever. A photo of somewhere that is inside. Then you're going to drag in a photo of a city or a landscape or a street, something like that. You're going to resize it, press enter. Then you're going to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. We're going to blur our image quite a bit. I usually go with around 10 pixels and press OK. We're going to keep that as a smart object. That means that if we change our mind and we want to blur it a little less or more, you can just double click on the effect. It'll pop back up and you can adjust the number. Anyways, we're then going to change the blending mode to something like screen that fits really well with our image. And then we're going to go to the adjustments panel right over here and select the levels adjustment. Click on it. Now hold down the Alt or Option key and click when you get this little arrow. This will make the levels adjustment only affect your top layer. And we want to move the dark slider, which is this side. We want to move it a little bit to the left. So as you can see, the dark parts are now less visible. And the middle one. We're going to leave the highlights one as is. And that's it. It's already done. It looks pretty realistic. It's just so cool. Make sure to subscribe. Turn your notifications on if you want to have updates on when I post. And yeah. Comment what tutorial you'd like to see next. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.